In the past 30 years, our society has changed in a positive way. We've taken major steps towards reusing our plastic waste and making an effort to recycle it. But how does one recycle food waste? Composting seems like the right answer, but seldom do people want to go through the process of composting their food scraps and then planting their own crops. The average person is only willing to bring their waste out to the curb and let the town pick it up. This is where focused sustainability comes in. We have an idea that can help keep landfills food-free and benefit the greater community. Our team is composed of John Clifford, the owner of Focused Sustainability, Tom Bebbington, a public relations professional, and Nick Isaac, a lead accredited architect based in Durham, New Hampshire. We are committed to creating a sustainable cycle that starts and ends with local food, closing a circle that currently is not closed. Local is key here. Our plan is to collect food scraps from homes, businesses, schools, and other institutions. The collection process will take place inside a 10-mile radius, thus keeping the food local and as community-based as possible. After the scraps are collected, it will be processed into a high-nutrient soil amendment through composting. Once this step of the cycle has been completed, we will use the compost in a centralized growing facility. In all cases, the growing facility and composting facility will be as nearby as possible. Crops will then be marketed at what we like to call permanent farmers markets. The cycle will then start over again, continually providing local food for the community. However, as of now, most people think of food waste as garbage, not as a resource. Most food waste is currently going to the landfill, which as it decomposes creates the gas methane, which is a major contributor to climate change. According to the EPA, food waste makes up 21% of waste going to landfills, approximately 36 million tons per year. Our idea would not only stop food waste from going to the landfill, but it would give back by providing fresh, locally grown food, something which is lacking in many communities. Our innovation will be self-sustaining after initial startup because of sales of fresh produce in our permanent farmers markets. Once we have successfully established a few urban farm markets, we can begin to replicate the model throughout the region and country. In addition to job creation, this will also create new opportunities for business owners and entrepreneurs.